referee Nunoo mensa ewie mu for baby Eddie Gold Stars against Kumasi Asante Kotoko. According to animdifo a omosua Ghana football emrano HSS. A referee no ye frɛ no na wantimi enyi no ho ano. Any substantial reason why he denied Asante Kotoko that clear goal now. Obetimi akọ 10 games suspended. 10 games suspended. And no information ever na former Kumasi Asante Kotoko PRO Listowo Yesu Bukasen and so edin and what in same way man what strong worded messenger the messenger or they bano mekan amount na message na e carry weight pan that's all no why Kumasi Asante Kotoko edumada PRO why into management of the club na o chirim sanyo manyoma we sa eto club na ekwan omo club management no effa reacting. It is almost 12 hours after this disgraceful incident is here as we speak. Unfortunately, Kotoko emba bonten en express any displeasure or protest. Kotoko protest no ache. Listo was say odwene ho won tiase say asat now. Kotoko emfale protest no. Na enchire the seriousness in adekora enra a course wa e de animguase ebre Ghana football. Listo Yesu Bukasen nsema okan no nyina wa ha mbepoto ama no ma kire ma subscribe na join Kotoko reaction 0247107260 0247107260 you hear sponsors sa o pese obeba be sponsor ya wadaroma no wafa number no so na wo de yedika subom wo ho enra animguase akwa no dwen ho a nti ni papa, why should right thinking human being do this? Tinenye oshe. Just say umpese Kotoko be wini. Just say umpese Kotoko be wini. Ni pama edina kume ma bobo e wini genuinely. What deny no. Victory. Your expenses are Kotoko ye ko baby any sika ye involved. But referee ba ku painti. Kotoko entime victory no we deny what the victory every Kotoko nse. E ha bi on Ghana football. Listo say Kotoko enye protest na ni manimu ya. Na referee no yen suspend no yen punish no. Yen punish no. And in certain way Ghana football na mra na wose ye fix ye sacrem. Bibi say no football mra points na shiegu. But many can who say moving forward no. You punish referee we also ye points no e Kotoko. Because I clean goal. Football you see dey e ni but sa referee pon our pon no. Sa nwoma no e was ye twam. O say tembia we ase kona ni me nsua dey. Bi me hu ni say sa nkwase referee nra ball ni di Kotoko enya win no. Sa nkwase referee na nra ball referee ni di e deny Kotoko victory no. Wapon game no onde wabebo no kro no Kotoko lose points no na ye kohwehwem na owie mu ampa o say ye gi goal on the hindsight serious the make and believe sir mpanifo be consider no a be boy football na ma referees no entimi referees no nko entimi ewiem because uko wiem na ye kohwehwem a ye be gi goal akiri nka na Kotoko referee ani referee na ko wie mama nkofo na wie no ni ye ko hwehwem ni ehu se referee ni wie mampa goal na odi na ye no na ya reverse na ne age ho points ne 3 points no ama Kotoko eno no ebe te referee fo no tumi o mu di wie games mu mo mere sa na mu no the better what I say it's about time Ghana Football Association and the various authorities no very sharp on that. Or say management of Kumasi Asante Kotoko must protest this Shylock officiating. Shylock and the Guasie disgrace. Or say to say Kumasi Asante Kotoko is the biggest football brand has globally is understatement. Or say Kotoko no big. Therefore, it is only fair that the football reasons, including all other conduct reasons for this brand, must be at least respected and preserved in the tandem. Or say Kotoko brand nesu iti abrebia na wose Kotoko brand no GFA4 referees ni obi a eboa emi protect Kotoko brand no. Sadly, the opposite has repeatedly been our bane of the club. Nemo no adani the opposite. Kotoko wasn't care about Kotoko ho ban afi amafo ye nyoma tia Kotoko. Time again, from time immemorial, Kotoko get disadvantage as the club is giving raw deals. Or say Kotoko raw deals against Kotoko. Officiating officials strangely robbed the club at away game venues. Also Kotoko akwa away aye chiti Kotoko sa. Back in Kumasi, the club is mostly robbed too because the nature of the stadium and its attendance security makes it difficult for the club to act funny way in the name of stealing points by robbing the clubs. Also Kumasi there, almost a rob Kotoko more because Kumasi security tight, bibia a point into Kotoko ntimi nya no hu bibia na clubs yaba ni ya be rob Kotoko. Ye rob Kotoko nzo a Kotoko ntimi nya bibia because okoye bibia is a camera chill. Oye city. The situation happens to another great brand of our football, Accra House of Folk. Also House of Folk, so be a yedi say be edi omo because omo bobo e won crying. Also on social media, videos of the strangely disallowed goal in today's game have gone viral. Also videos no gentle go viral go Ghana football anymore say. So listo na ka say no. Also as I type I'm still lost as to what the reasons are for the center referee to have disallowed this goal. Or since they said they are all three, center referee Nunoo Mensa and I said Julian Nunoo until say a quite of us to disallow goal. The least I will say is that management must protest in strongly worded letter to the Ghana Football Association expressing its disappointment at the performance of the referee. Also Ghana Football for Kotoko for strong letter Ghana Football for. The club must call the stern sanction on the referee to stand the tide. Also, Kotoko, a report to referee no, so that it will be very stern sanction and referee also. Also, it is so shameful that the referee must be Shylock to make that wicked call against the greatest football club. Also, referee no, ebe make kisa sebi nkurasi decision way etia Kotoko, ama Kotoko, and lose 3 points. So it is so shameful that the referee, his actions are but akin to those senses of clouded from appreciating the beauty of the game. Also, the why no, akata the beauty of the game no so cry. It's orodo to him no. Kotoko and manimu ya ene kwesi the time neko. Kotoko nchuro strong worded letter reporting the referee to the Ghana Football Association. Na Kotoko taking matter ya. Referee must be punished, and according to them, the punishment, if he is found guilty, I'll be to 10 games suspended, 10 games banned.